It's a hot summer day here in western Oklahoma. We're working on a 4450 today. This customer was having some air conditioner issues. I hooked our gauges onto it and checked our pressures. We didn't have any Freon left in it. So we used nitrogen to pressure up the system and find the leaks. We had a line that was leaking going to the compressor, and then the compressor itself was leaking between the seam here, and looks like it was also leaking on the shaft seal there as well. So when we change a compressor, we have to flush the system and install a new dryer. Deere mandates this just for warranty reasons. If you want any kind of warranty at all on a Deere compressor, you have to change the receiver dryer and use their flush, and that has to be it has to be purchased when you purchase the receiver dryer. It has to be on the ticket, otherwise it voids the warranty. A lot of guys don't know that. It specifies it in the documentation that comes with the compressor. So you got to use the primary. You'll run this through the first time. This is more of a solvent based flush. You run it through the system, and then after that you'll run the AccuFlush 2 in it, and that's more, it dries up really quick. So on a hot summer day, you gotta be really quick. Make sure and put your cap on when you pour it in your flush machine, if you're only using part of it anyway, because it will dissolve really quickly. So technically this compressor didn't fail internally. No metal or anything in the system, but we still got to go ahead and flush everything out. These compressors come pre-filled with oil. So we got to get the old oil out of the system, which we do that by flushing the system. So I always recommending, if you change the compressor, I like to recommend changing the expansion valve as well. And on these tractors, they're up in top of the cab there on the evaporator. And a lot of times the evaporator fittings will seize onto the hoses. You can see it's really rusty, and that you'll never get that apart. And so on this one, we went ahead and just changed out. The customer wanted to go ahead and change the evaporator, the expansion valve, and them lines right there all as one unit. And then we got the new compressor installed on it. We've got a one line here that goes up to the condenser that we changed as well. We're in the process right now of pulling a vacuum on the system, and then we will charge the system up with Freon, then get this customer back going again. But just figured I'd talk to you guys a little bit about air conditioner service. A lot of guys don't know that you have to flush the system and put a new receiver dryer on it. So y'all have a great day.